Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video I'm going to share with you a hair growth recipe that is very special to me, and that's because it came from my grandmother. If you find it interesting as much as I do, then I hope you give it a try. I really like it so much. For this recipe we are going to need castor oil and aloe vera. If you remember my village trip vlog, you're going to remember this castor oil. I brought it from home, and I already have some aloe vera gel. I had it in the fridge, and what we need to do now is mix the two. According to my grandmother, they used this mixture to coil their hair and to grow their hair. It made their hair soft and strong at the same time. Soft in the sense of manageability and strong health wise. Okay, alright guys, this right here is not how she says they used this mixture. We'll get to her way later, okay, but I decided to be a little bit creative and use this as a pre-poo. For the pre-poo, I just apply the product on my hair. I massage it on my scalp, work it through the length of my hair to the ends of my hair, finger detangle my hair, put the section in a twist, then move on to the next one. There are wash days like this one when my fingers are the only instrument that I use on my hair. I use my fingers to detangle, to massage my scalp and everything. I just use my fingers. I feel like it helps control or minimize how much hair I lose on wash days. I had so many questions from my grandmother, given that they had beautiful hair but did not have all these hair products that we have now, like conditioners, leave-in conditioners and the rest. That is how this recommendation came about. Like I mentioned earlier, they used this particular mixture to coil their hair and to condition their hair. You know, castor oil is thick, sticky, and it's a heavy oil. So when mixed with aloe vera that is jelly, it makes so much sense that they could use it to coil their hair. When I had finished applying this pre-poo, I covered my hair with a plastic bag for 20 minutes. Then I went on to wash the hair. After washing my hair, I went in with a leave-in conditioner, and recently when I make use of a natural ingredient on my hair, I use it throughout my entire wash day. So for this leave-in conditioner, I mixed this oil with aloe vera gel and my leave-in conditioner. Actually, this oil has aloe vera in it. I'll be showing you how I achieved it later on in this video. After mixing everything, I had this sticky, creamy consistency, and I immediately felt like it would work perfectly as a curl cream. Just look at that. One healthy hair care tip that has been working for me is washing my hair in sections. So when I do a pre-poo and put my hair in twist, I just go ahead and wash my hair in those twists. It makes the entire wash day easier and safer. That said, let's go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. So I just generously apply the leave-in conditioner on all the sections of my hair, not forgetting to pay particular attention to the ends of my hair. Let's talk about the benefits of castor oil for our hair. Castor oil helps a lot in boosting hair growth. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help to reduce dandruff and also irritated scalps. It helps to moisturize the scalp as well. As for aloe vera, I'm almost sure that it's no news to you that aloe vera helps in strengthening the hair, controlling hair grease, and helps with itchy scalps. It also protects the hair from ultraviolet damage, and it also helps with hair growth. Notice those curls, guys. I mentioned that the oil we added to the leave-in conditioner had aloe vera in it, right? So this is how I made it. I just took my fresh aloe vera leaves, removed the spikes, and I chopped the aloe vera leaves into flat tiny pieces. Of course, the carrier oil is castor oil. So after transferring my chopped aloe vera leaves into a pan, I added castor oil to it. I also added black palm kernel oil to this as well. Palm kernel oil contains vitamins E, A, and K, which are very good for our hair. It is great for treating dull, thinning, and dry hair. After adding all the oils, I brought this to my stove and cooked under low to medium heat till the green aloe vera leaves turned brown. I then left it to cool down, and after which I strained the oil. Castor oil is a thick, heavy oil, so you don't want to leave it to cool down completely. It may become difficult to get out all the oil from the aloe vera chaffs. After straining my oil, I added a few drops of tea tree and of peppermint essential oil to it. The plan was to use this oil to seal moisture on my hair and scalp, and then stretch my hair with the African threading method. That was a castor oil usage recommendation from my grandmother, but I wasn't feeling too well, so I couldn't go through that process. So I've just been using the oil to massage my scalp. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to give this a try. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.